Acha, this is what? Appointment to?
Malad, this is appointment to Malad, supervisor of Anganwadi. Of ICDS. ICDS supervisor.
Supervisor regarding promotion.
Malad, there up.
Regarding promotion.
Promotion and direct recruitment.
And direct recruitment.
May I please?
Are they in service or not?
No, it's about new recruitment. The subject matter is what ratio is to be maintained between the direct recruitees and the promotees to the post of supervisor of ICDS.
Very good.
Prior to September 2015, a particular ratio was in place. On 15th of September 2015, a central government memorandum comes which directs the state to amend the rules accordingly. That gives a ratio of 50-50. Prior to that, the ratio was 75 to 25.
75 promotion.
75 was direct, 75 was promoted, 25 was direct.
25 was direct.
70, I'm sorry, just actually.
25 was direct recruit.
I'll just tell.
25 from promotion.
Yes, 25 from promotion, 75 from direct. Now, Malad, it is changed to a ratio of 50-50. 50-50. Now, Malad, state has proceeded on the basis that the vacancies which arose, which were born prior to 15th of September 2015, they have been applied a ratio of 75 to 25. And the vacancies after 15th September have been applied a ratio of 50-50. This is the calculation that the state has made.
15th September is the date for publication
of the central government memo. Central government memo.
So is that central government memo under challenge before anybody?
Making no, it... What is under challenge is our calculation as far as the vacancies, promotee versus direct is concerned.
What did the trial judge say?
The honorable trial judge has held that since as on the date of filling up of the vacancy, the ratio is supposed to be 50-50. Therefore, 3458 total vacancy should be divided in 50 and 50 ratio. This is the gamut of the matter. 1729 for promotee, 1729 for direct recruitment.
Now, due to this impasse, the entire promotion has been...
No, Malad, here, either way, whichever way it is decided, Malad, 1729 can be recruited. So, Malad, 1729 is being recruited.
They have been recruited.
Yes.
I want to join issue. My lord, still kindly hear me for a minute by the clock.
They are the direct.
There is a temporary recruitment, Marot. 1729.
1729 are the direct recruits inducted on the basis of 50%, 50%.
Yes.
And they are working.
Yes. Those who have joined, they are working.
This
there is no impasse as far as appointment of 1729 direct recruitees are concerned, because either way it is decided, 1729 direct recruitees will be there.
But may I interject?
My lordship may kindly remember.
Yes, I will coming one by one. Yes, what are you saying? Yes. You are for the state.
I am for the state appellant.
And you are for the direct
intervener. My lord, I have taken out an application CAN 7 in MAT number 509. CAN 6 and 7, my intervening application. Mr. Bandopathyay's submission before the learned trial judge, before your lordships has always been that be it 50-50, be it 75-25, these interveners, proposed interveners, they are always within the zone of consideration. So there is no impediment for them to be recruited.
You are coming within 1729.
Correct. But showing pendency of this litigation only, we are not being still allowed to join, whereas people who are below us in the merit table, they have been recruited.
They are also within 1729.
No, that we do not know. People below us.
No. How? Below and up will not consider the direct recruitment.
Correct. Correct. But there is a merit table. In descending order of merit, there is a table prepared.
They must have prepared it on that basis.
Must have prepared on that basis. Now, people who are below us in the merit table.
Was any select list published?
Yes.
So in that, where is your position?
We have a table. We show that.
So your grievance is you have not appointed me, but below rated persons have been.
This is saying that be it 50-50, be it 75-25.
It doesn't matter.
Come under consideration.
Yes. But still, we are still not appointed.
Achha, let us, Mr. Bandopathyay, that is come within 1729.
That is perhaps, I don't know what case Mr. Banerjee is arguing. That is not their case in the application.
This was referred in the earlier order.
Application. I am very sorry to say this, Their case in the application is that this appointments that state is making without prejudice to anyone's rights and contentions, that is 1729. The reservation policy has not been applied properly. In Can 6, their contention is that the applicants are OBC A. OBC A reservation has not been made within the 1729. And in Can 7, their contention is that SC reservation has not been made within the 1729. That is their contention in the Can.
Well, all these submissions were already made.
Well, one is that I am in the same category. Everyone.
Bandyopadhyay, have you recruited this 1729?
Yes, 1729 is being recruited.
Why being recruited?
Because I cannot say from the bar that 1729 is exhausted today.
It's not.
1729 is exhausted. This submission I cannot make. I'll have to get the statistics, but it is in the process. Considerable amount has been engaged.
After publication of the list of successful candidates,
Yes.
so far as 1729 is concerned, admittedly appointment has been given.
Yes.
No, it's not been taken.
And
Now some appointments have been
yes,
given.
yes. And my lord,
Now,
there are-
according to you, whether 50-point roster or 100-point roster, as the case maybe, has been followed or not,
well, not followed.
then
But I'll tell you, Lordship, why. I'll tell you, Lordship, why, my lord.
No, in your direct recruitment notification, you did not specify the reservation.
My lord, it is there. But it is for a higher number of posts. My lord, initially,
Oh, that is
If I-
for 3-2.
yes.
That
My lord, suppose, my lord, I'm giving a figure, my lord, just
But
to
there was an order of division bench.
put across my point. My lord, initially, say, my lord, 2,200 posts were there as for direct recruitees. 2,200 for direct recruitees. And the remaining for the promotees. This, the Honorable Single Judge says that you can only go up to 50%. Therefore, I can only go up to 1,700, not to 2,200. But when I have started the process, all the calculation and application of the rosters are on the basis of 2,200.
then for the pendency of this litigation, everybody is suffering.
Yes. Now, there are orders of the Honorable Single Judges also during the pendency of this appeal that you go up to 1729.
So, Mr.
Because this is-
Bandyopadhyay, you please ascertain whether in your 1729 list, which you have prepared, whether Mr. Banerjee's clients are there or not.
Well, I had joined an issue on the
Intention is in the application, they have taken a ground of reservation.
reservation.
Irrespective of that,
Yes.
let us know 1729, which is out of this problem. 1729 can be given. We will fix up a date and hear out the matter.
Well, that is
Into
your.
the other vacancies.
Well, I'll tell you, Lordship.
It's like-
Here,
May I
Can
just
6
say-
and Can 7.
Well, in fact,
You
all
can
these
fix and can-
submissions were
You are
made.
for, you are for
I am for the promotees. I am supporting the judgment passed by the learned single judge. Now, my submissions, my lord, on the earlier occasion was that in this matter, there are several notifications.
So, Mr. Dhot, tell us whether you have any dispute pertaining to 1729. That is coming out of it.
But all I say that the direct recruitees case is completely different, because if they are aggrieved, they have to go before the learned tribunal.
Nobody has a dispute.
That is completely different, and they are not even parties. All submissions.
We are not on that. We are asking
Yes.
that out of these 3729 or something like
Yes.
that, whether this 1729 can be filled up or not, or anybody is standing in the way.
Now,
to
1729 what? If the promotees is the subject matter before your lordships, lordship can make a direction on that. We would be happy for that.
Now,
the
this
other
Mr.
1729
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, out of
Well,
this
They are
1729,
asking direct recruitment.
How
Well,
1729 come?
Well,
That
but
is
may I-
not a case. They
but
are not even
I was
parties.
trying to make a submission before.
And
Mr.
that's the
Dhot
reason
started,
lordship
my lord.
did not allow the addition of party
As
and
far as my lord,
directed
the
it should be
application
heard
of Mr.
along.
Banerjee's client
their
is
application
concerned,
is
he have
kept
filed an
pending.
opposition to it, my lord. We have opposed it on 2 grounds. Number 1, his cause of action is not related to this list.
Yes.
Number 1. And number 2, his remedy does not lie. He is coming here as an addition of party because he is trying to avoid his forum.
The lordship's order on
and
4th
not go-
November.
it's a civil post.
4th
They have
November, lordship
ag-
passed this
agitate
order.
their grievance before the
This
tribunal.
addition was not allowed.
Here,
An answer.
here,
My lord, without
but here the
My lord,
grievance is
without-
different.
my lord, without declaration of ER-wise vacancy, this issue cannot be solved.
But these is
Because my lord, in 2015, there was ratio 75-25. After 2015, ratio is 50-50 as per central government circular. And that's why, my lord, earlier division bench, my lord, just Showman said, has directed this order, my lord, to year-wise.
Please cool down, sir.
My lord, all pleadings are complete. All pleadings are complete excepting one compilations in terms of your lordship's earlier expressions. I am supposed to prepare and serve it to everyone.
I have received.
I have done that.
Well, there are certain
because I
things,
submitted, there are several documents. I took the responsibility. Excellent. I took the responsibility of preparing one compilation. I have prepared, I have served, everyone has it. So Lordship may keep it for
now
hearing of the matter.
I am for the respondent number 1.
Yes.
509.
Yes.
They complied. Compliant.
Everyone has.
Further pleading is required.
Nothing. No further.
Additional.
I have got just a moment. My lord, with regard to the compilation part is concerned, my lord, I have something to say which is not, I may say, my lord, it's not proper. I must say something is misleading the court.
This is not the pleadings. These are the only the
judgments. All pleadings are there, but several notifications which were part of the pleadings in different applications. Those are, my lord, made part of this compilation. These submissions were made by me in the earlier occasion on 4th of November. And thereafter, that was the understanding that I will make the compilations comprising of all the notifications which are spread over in different applications, so that in one document we can find it out. And matter, my lord, without looking into any of the applications, Lordship would start hearing of the matter. And Lordship kindly have a look at Lordship's order on 4th November. That's the reason Lordship said that the applications, that both appeals which arise out of common order,
the number is defective.
We are wanting to know from you, from our officers, any further pleading is required in these matters, in 2 matters.
No.
Or we can fix it on a particular
My lord may fix it, my lord.
Unless we are not get, I can get my reply.
You are the
493 respondent number 1.
What do you want?
Well, get the additional affidavit so that we can give the reply.
That intervention,
No, I'm not intervention. I'm the
1 to 3.
respondent.
I and both Mr. Banerjee are appealing for the same parties, my lord. We are the respondents in the 493. Now, my lord, one affidavit was filed at the last occasion by Mr. Bandopadhyay, my lord, wherein the year-wise vacancy was given. My lord, we didn't have the copy of it.
Give us a second. See, already 11/7/2025. 493 1 to 3. 493 1 to 3. Respondent number.
Application disposal.
It was also decided, my lord, which should be the lead matter. In the order it was mentioned.
That was different matter. But that is different thing. Next matter.
সবাই এত addition of party.
By promotion or by if they show visa.
Promotion order to
Yes, what are you saying? You are the respondents in the
No.
MAT number 493, my lord.
Added
We have
response.
already been added.
Added response.
We have been added.
already
Yes, my
there.
lord.
Then what do you want?
My lord, the breakup sought for by my lord Justice Showman's order, by virtue of my lord Justice Showman's order, a breakup of vacancies is to be placed.
Sense order was
May I assist your lordship on this? The coordinate bench had directed us to file an additional affidavit disclosing the year-wise vacancies. This we have sought, my lord, will kindly see on 7 advocates, my lord, learned advocates who had appeared. If my learned friend has not got it, my lord, he may intimate us, he may intimate others, my lord, 7 persons, my lord. There are at least 14 applications.
You only want that affidavit.
Yes, my lord. I also
But they can, the respondents may exchange within themselves also, my lord. Every day the submission is being made. I have not got, I have not got. But kindly see,
How do we get, my lord?
kindly see, my lord, how many we have solved.
Let us solve.
509.
This affidavit is a huge affidavit.
My lord, it is a bit.
Acha, you pay cost for that Xerox and they will ask your
Yes,
admin.
Mr. Shamanto will give it. Let him tell us that who has not got it, we will give it.
Please give it in course of this week. Make a Xerox copy. If you want to collect tax or in lieu of copy, whichever.
Well, I'll tell you, Logi, what is happening. When the matter is
that
being
was
taken
the-
up, my learned friend is saying, I have not got it. In the meantime, they can always approach Mr. Shamanta and get a copy.
We are making an attempt to solve your problem,
Yes,
sir.
Age
If you
difference
do
is
not
there.
settle it,
Your
then
lordship exactly said this thing on the 4th of November.
and this is not something
That
which
was
is
the
to be brought to the
understanding.
notice of the court. It can be sorted out in the corridor itself. That I have not got a copy. Every day, my lord, when the matter is taken up,
yes.
and my lord, one more.
Anybody else, any copy?
My lord, one.
You are for?
I am appearing addition of party
So your friend will be getting it, Mr. Banerjee. Mr. Banerjee, give a copy to him. Finished?
My lord, as far as
by upon payment.
my lord,
I shall collect it from Mr. Banerjee.
Whatever you want to do, do.
my lord,
For a
your
cup of
lordship
tea,
may
will not
also,
coffee do.
my lord, your lordship may also desire to have a look, my lord, at the in the order of 11th of July 2024, which records in which mode we should recruit pending disposal of this appeal.
That will touch the merit of the matter.
Subject to the avoided by the appeal, my lord. Decision of the appeal.
Yes,
Temporary.
I am only bringing it to the knowledge of the bench because it was passed by the erstwhile bench. Nothing to do with the merit of it.
Exception.
আমরা exception দেবই তো
Mr.
file exception
or learned senior or the learned advocates appearing for the respective parties. Stop. Let the compilation of